Hello guys. Okay, today we'll be playing today we'll be playing Blitz E4. So my main arsenal in playing E4 is Alikide. So he goes to exchange variation. So we are both on the same page. It's exchange variation. I don't know what is the proper line with this, but I'll just follow basic principle in order to survive from this kind of opening. So my main idea here is to castle queenside. Okay. So he seems familiar with this kind of opening. It's very good with that. Okay, just give it to him. Okay. So the tension had gone. This bad bishop. This good bishop. This good knight. This is weak. This is weak. So my main idea is to exchange pieces as much as possible in order for me to gain advantage. So I have a tempo here. Oh, he doesn't. Okay, so I'll just counter with this. I'll just counter with this one. So it becomes weak. When it's weak, I can actually convert the game to endgame. Okay? Okay. Okay, so we forced the exchange. Okay, but he didn't see this one coming. It's double stroke actually. It's hitting the C3 square at the same time the F4 square. So in chess, if you give even 1 pawn advantage to your opening, okay, so double stroke. If you give even a 1 pawn advantage to your opponent, then you will be doomed. Why? It's because pawn is equivalent. Okay, so I will just capture this. And then the next action for me is I have a pass pawn now. So the question, what will you do with regards to that pass pawn? Okay, so I will just activate my king. I will just activate my king. Just activate my king as much as I can. Okay, so I just activate my king. Okay. So since I have activated my king, it already helped me to attack his position. Okay, so okay, I'll have a threat. Okay, this one. This is very important because it controls a crucial square. Okay, so maybe I will be having no problem with this. It's because I have a pass pawn. So my pass pawn, my king. Okay, so I think I have to relocate. I have to relocate my position. So what will you do next? Okay, so that's it. This is the most important winning move. It's because it prevents this white pawn into queening. So if I prevent it, then he cannot. Okay, I'll just queen first, then I'll just have. Okay, so we win at last. Thank you very much.